Let's talk about cash registers in general. We are using the CloudPOS cash register that's integrated on the PAX E600 with a cash drawer accessory, since you will almost always need a cash drawer anytime you have one of these setups. Okay, back to our general session. With a cash register, you're always going to type in a dollar amount and a category. So most of your merchants using a cash register are going to have buttons that correlate to a category. In this example, we're simulating a beach shop, so our buttons are kids apparel, women's apparel, men's apparel, shoes, and beach toys. Our beach shop pretty much just has 3 types of apparel. They have some beach toys and they have shoes. Some merchants might also include another button or an open button for something that doesn't fit into a category, but this shop only wants to track those 5 categories. They have everything on their shelf tagged with a dollar amount on it so that when a customer brings up a dress and let's say a pair of shoes, they will read the tag, select women's apparel, type in the dollar amount, and hit OK. Then they can move on to entering the next item, shoes. Type in the amount and hit OK. That's it. Our system is simply tracking those 5 categories with the assigned dollar amount so that at the end of the day, it can tell you how many shoes were rung up or how many women's apparel was sold and how much should be in the drawer, so that at the end of the day, they're able to ensure their staff has collected all the cash correctly. The E600 runs credit cards on the front, and it can also properly handle surcharging. This means it will accurately distinguish between credit cards and debit cards, so you can still make the surcharge on the credit card if you want, and not surcharge on debit cards and cash. The main reason we see a merchant choose this setup is the merchant wants a very simple select items or simple and select categories to replace their current cash register. And with an all-in price of under $1,000 for the CloudPOS cash register on the E600, we find that this still comes in under what a normal cash register setup costs. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in purchasing a CloudPOS cash register, please contact us at sales@theposcloud.com or call 888-773-1222 to speak with one of our experts.